Well, hello folks. Welcome to Collins Custom Services. So I got this white. It's an LT 1650 hydro. He went and picked it up, got it for free. He said it ran. It turns over, but and it sounds like it has compression. I didn't have any of my tools there, so other than turning it over and putting fresh fuel in the carburetor and having it not fire, I don't really know a lot about it, but it's in good shape. The deck's in good shape. It's dirty, so I'm gonna clean it up. I don't know what the heck that is. It looks like chicken shit, and I have chickens, so I'm kind of an expert on chicken shit, and I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But anyways, I'm gonna wash it up, and this is gonna be a kind of a revival video that I'm gonna edit together. I haven't edited a video in a while. I've been posting just kind of straight through ones. So I'm gonna edit this one out. The hood's in kind of rough shape. Partially that's my fault for towing it with the winch. As you can see, my roller box there is broken, and I broke it off the piece of plastic on the front there. But we're not going to worry about that. Biggest thing is I'm going to get this hopefully mowing again, and I'm pretty sure I have another hood for it, so we'll get it going. And so I'm going to power wash it, and then I'll be kind of taking it apart, and you'll see further in the video kind of the progress going on with this. So like, subscribe, share, blood packs, yeah, blood packs, cut the hand, shake on it. No, not funny. All right, anyways, well, after power washing it, taking the carburetor off, cleaning the carburetor out, got it to run. Using fresh fuel from this tank because the lines are bad on this tank. Looks like crap in there. Yeah, kind of coming out of it. Definitely think she needs a spark plug. Not quite running quite right, but it runs. So I think probably the next thing is I'll check the spark plugs. I think possibly this one needs a head gasket. There was quite a lot of oil buildup on the front part of the frame, so that might be something that happens in the near future, but at least I know it runs, so there you have it. A little random clip here for you. So I had a client drop this off the other day because he sent me a picture of it. He's like, "Is this anything you want?" And I'm like, "Yes, definitely." And I'll tell you why. Think little kid go-kart. I saw one online on YouTube that somebody made, and I definitely want to build one. How? Well, that'll be another video, or a video for another day. But basically, it's an aluminum aluminum deck. What I would do is take pretty much little go-kart spindles, have your front end pretty much where it is now, have a steering shaft come down to it, have your engine, and then have a custom seat on the back with, so the lower part of the handle is kind of like a backrest or a, you know, not so safe roll cage. And I have a John Deere self-propelled mower here, and this back area is big enough, I think, to put it in here. And so you use, I mean, it wouldn't be fast by any means. I do have another idea as far as a drive system goes, but it's a little wacky and would take more time. I'm thinking it would be best, I mean, it would be made for a little kid, you know. It would be governed enough so it only, you know, just kind of crept along. But it would make noise and would be super, super cool. So it's kind of a deer I got floating around. I figured I'd share it because this channel is a place where ideas expand. Anyways, pretty cool. Well, it's running better now. The valve might have been sticking just a little bit. Intake valve on this side. We're moving. Oh man. Let's see if it'll accept the PTO. Ready? No. It will not accept the PTO. That's alright. I'm gonna take the deck off. Service the deck. Gonna replace couple of gas lines, put a new filter on there. I just slipped the muffler off from now. I think this is going to be a good mower. Stay tuned. Well, it's running. The reason it was running so poorly was because I unhooked the vent from the fuel pump, and that's why. But I got the tank, its actual tank, hooked back up. Got new fuel line, new filter, and it seems to be. Need some new spark plugs, but it's running pretty good. Gonna take it out here in a minute, test it. The mower deck turns on, so I'm gonna go test her out a little bit. Report back in a minute. Well, here we go. Go for a little ride, test it out. Not really too bad. The engine's really not making too much noise. I'm getting it warm now. I'm gonna drain the oil out of it, change the oil. just aired up the tires. I test out the mower part of it. It's got 778 hours on it. Mows beautifully. Sorry about that, I was waving to the pastor. I almost think I could go down one more notch now that the tires are aired up to spec. What I like to do is see how straight it cuts. Wow, not bad. Look at that. Nice straight cut. Duckies, have some grass. Wow, I'm really impressed. Muffler's not all falling apart, rusted out. It's nice and quiet. Just put a new battery in it. Steering wheel's a little... Steering's actually not that bad, it's just the wheel itself. I think this one's gonna be a money maker. My first one of the year. This year wasn't really that great for riding lawnmowers as far as selling them. I didn't get any. Wow, yeah, this thing mows awesome. I think it's warmed up enough to go drain the oil out of it. Yeah, wow. Go inspect the... Now tomorrow afternoon I'll inspect the spindles and the belts, all the pulleys. I guess all I really got to do is see if the brake, well, tighter stack doesn't really need brakes. I think they did hold. I think I remember having the parking brake on and not being able to move it. I mean, really no unusual valve noise or anything. Pretty happy with it. There, all I really got to do is figure out the hood. The hood's got some issues, but it's really only the base. The top part's fine. I think I can get a little bit clever. It might involve some zip ties, but as long as I can get that base part on there, this part's all fine. Seems to be fine anyways. Although I'm not really sure Oh yeah, those are broken. I don't know. Figure it out. I've got other hoods. I got one right there. That one probably wouldn't work. I got a nice Craftsman one around here. Might be able to make work. Anyways. Thank you for tuning in here. This is going to be the completion of this video, I believe. When it's maybe when it's all said and done, I'll do kind of an update and let you know what happens with it. I think though what I'm going to do is get that hood on there, get it looking nice enough, you know. And I'm going to put it up for sale. I mean, this, you saw it from beginning to when I drove it here, or actually it was sitting here already. And I probably got maybe 3 hours into this. I think just about 3 hours altogether. I'm not really sure what's going on with the belts down there. They work, you know, but they might need to be replaced. Gonna drain the oil out of it right now, and yeah, pretty stoked. Like it when that happens. But this has been a good revival episode. I'm hoping maybe I'll get some more. I'll try to do one on that one there. It's a special edition yard machine that's got a 18 horse supposed on it. I don't really know. I mean, I don't really know much about this one. This one doesn't have an hour reader on it, so I won't really know. I mean, once I get kind of looking around on it, probably can figure it out. But I think this one might be my mud mower. It's got a hydrostatic rear. Pretty sure that's what this one's going to end up being. So stay tuned for that in the future. I don't know how far in the future, how soon it's going to be. You saw that little deal, that little go-kart idea. Stay tuned for that. This will be something I start on here in the next, I don't know how long I'll be before I start on that. I did bring it up closer here, so when I have spare time, I can work on it. Tomorrow, I'm going to take the Mercules down to the old scrap metal place. I collected all the junk that I didn't want anymore hanging around here. But yeah, Chickens said, thanks for joining us, and have a good evening. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and lay an egg.